Hello students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss redistributing and filtering with BGP of Unit 5, designing IP addressing in the network and selecting routing protocol for the subject enterprise network design of B7 semester IT, University of Mumbai. This is also a very small lecture. An enterprise border router running BGP typically announces only the major network, the prefix assigned to the enterprise network, to the external domain, excluding any details about subnets. This is done using BGP network router configuration command, which allows BGP to advertise a network that is already part of its IP routing table. So this is how redistributing and filtering with BGP is done. Alternatively, internal network could be summarized into the one major subnet that covers the assigned public access space and redistributed into BGP. However, redistributing from IGP into BGP is not recommended because any change in IGP routes, for example, if a link goes down, can cause a BGP update, which might result in unstable BGP table. If IGP routes are redistributed into BGP, make sure that only local routes, those that originate with the autonomous system, are redistributed. For example, routes learned from other autonomous systems that were learned by the redistributing BGP into the IGP must not be sent from the IGP again, because routing loops could result, or the autonomous system could inadvertently becomes transit AS. Private IP addresses must not be redistributed, so they should also be filtered. A configuration of this filtering can be very complex task. In the other direction, either a default route or default route plus a few other specific routes pass into enterprise autonomous system. These can then be redistributed into IGP running in the autonomous system. Redistributing all BGP routes into an IGP is not advised because non-BGP participating routers do not require full internet routing table, and IGP protocol are unable to process large number of advertised routers. Unnecessary routes should be filtered. So here we have discussed redistributing and filtering with BGP. In next lecture, we will cover route summarization. This is last topic of Unit 5. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice time.